Hi guys, so damn, I always start my intros this way. I'm gonna do a Christmas. Damn, what the fuck? I kind of got a brain fart. But people been asking me to do like more Christmas looks or whatever, and some girl sent me some pictures of like ideas that she wanted for me to recreate. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. It's kind of expensive. This little tube cost me like 30 bucks, I think. But I think it's really worth it, especially if you're dry skin. And if you hear Coco in the back, my daughter's watching Coco, so yeah. But I like using this moisturizer because it has like a sticky base, so it also works good as a moisturizer and a primer, you know. If you have oily skin, guys and girls, don't think that you don't need to use a freaking moisturizer, because you do. Like, oil is not no damn moisturizer. Your own oils are not moisturizers, so you still need to moisturize. I would recommend, if you have oily skin, to wash your face before you apply moisturizer, just so all the extra oils that you have in your face from like the overnight or throughout the day oil, just, you know, you have a clean base for moisturizer and you don't have excess oil. You see, this is why I don't do in-depth videos, because I don't know what the fuck, I don't know what I'm saying. You don't have a clean base to start your makeup on, your makeup is just gonna look cakey. So I would recommend wash your face, apply moisturizer. And I like using this facial spray. This is the Mario Badescu rose water spray. I usually like using the green tea because I don't really like the rose smells. I don't know, I'm not really into rosy smells. Go in with the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer, and this is in the color brunette. I like using a pencil when I want a more light brow instead of a bold brow. So since today I am gonna go for a light brow, I use a pencil. The first thing I do, I just always, if you haven't seen my eyebrow tutorial, go check it out. Oh shit, this has residue on it. I really didn't get in depth in that video about how I do it, because I did like a lyric voiceover or whatever, because I didn't have my microphone to film it, and then the audio was horrible, so I just decided to type it out. But the first thing I do is just outline the bottom of my eyebrows, how I want them both shaped, and then I fill it in, and then I go in and blend it out. And then I basically, concealer is your best friend when you do your eyebrows, because you're gonna clean out everything and erase and, you know, make them look more clean and defined when you put the concealer on. So I really don't worry about too much how they look before I clean them up, because, you know, you can always make them better. So I'm just gonna show you this without talking, because I can't do my eyebrows talking. I know I use a lot of drugstore on my channel, but guys, I don't know, like, I tried some high-end stuff, and I don't know, sometimes I just don't think it's worth the price. Like, I tried so many foundations, and then I always end up going and returning them and just getting more affordable, like the Maybelline ones. I'm obsessed with Maybelline products because they're so good and so affordable. So it's like, bro, I'm spending $50 $30 on a fucking foundation and it doesn't even work for me. So that's why I always use drugstore makeup, because I don't know, like concealers, I mean, don't get me wrong, the concealers I do feel like they're bomb, but the foundations, since I really don't like that full like super full coverage, because I don't really need to cover up nothing that much. I just feel like for a $50-$60 foundation, I could get a $10, $12, $8 foundation that works just as good and covers what I need to cover, you know, so I don't really need to waste that money. So that's why y'all see what I use, nothing but affordable stuff. And I know a lot of people don't like using affordable stuff because, you know, they think it's crappy makeup and it doesn't work that good and blah 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 blah. But this is personal preference. I just think that affordable foundations work better for me. But the concealers, don't get me wrong, I think investing in concealers and foundations is the best thing ever. But since, you know, coming from my perspective, I don't really need that much coverage on foundation. Now, what I really like full coverage on my concealers, because I do have like really bad under eyes. So that's what I like to invest in. Like the Too Faced Shape Tape and the Too Faced, the Shape Tape is super good, but it does kind of dry me out. And since the Too Faced one came out, it's fucking bomb. Now, I personally like to cream contour, and I usually go and use just one of the Maybelline Super Stay foundations and use that as a cream contour. But I bought this palette, and this is why sometimes I can't film that long and much, because when the baby's away, she just, you already know the deal, she just wants my attention. So I'm sorry if you can hear her crying in the back, but there's nothing I could do. I still gotta, you know, film. I miss filming, you know. I said that I was gonna do vlogmas, guys, but to be honest, my fucking life is boring. I don't do shit. Like, I don't do shit, and if I do shit, and if I am busy, I'm usually doing my makeup appointments and hair appointments, and, you know, I'm working, so I obviously can't be filming and talking to y'all because I'm working. So I just decided if I'm doing something interesting, a specific date, that I'm gonna vlog it, because I'm gonna be getting my tattoo in the back of my ear and another one right here. So I feel like if y'all want to see a vlog of me getting tattooed. But like I was saying, this is the cream contour palette that I use. It has all your creams, light to dark, and then it also has like a little pinky shade for like the blush. But oh my god, look, it has fucking glitter because of my glitters. But I usually just go in with this one and this one, and contour with these, like cream contour. Is I just set with the RCMA powder. I just recently bought this powder, and I don't really know about it, to be honest. But I'm gonna use the Attractive Sensory Cosmetics Contour Palette, these two right here. And if now, the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with the Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna go in with this green shade right here. And this is one of the e.l.f. brushes. So I'm gonna go in first with a really neon green. Pack it on. So I'm gonna pack it on as much as I can to give it all the pigmentation. You see? Like that. And then I'm gonna blend it out, and what I'm doing is using packing motions. You're gonna want to apply this color and pack it on first, and then you want to go in and blend it softly. Don't go in and blend it like harsh all over your lid. You have to be really precise with this, so you want to go in and freaking blend it, but softly, and still pack it on at the same time, just to add more color and definition. So just watch and see what I do. And I also just do back and forth and then circle motions to blend out the harsh lines. I'm gonna do this eye off camera and then I'll be back so it won't be so much footage on my phone. Now I'm gonna do my eyeliner off camera. I know a lot of y'all guys want me to do an eyeliner tutorial, but that shit takes me forever and I still have a long way to perfect that, so I'm not gonna be showing that because I suck at eyeliner still. So I'm gonna do my eyeliner off camera. And okay, so now that I added my lashes and eyeliner, I did go ahead and apply the same colors I applied on my crease on my lower lash and just a little bit of red, you know, because to give it that whatever. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some inner corners. I'm gonna add like chunky glitters or whatever. So I'm gonna go in with the same glitter that I added on top of my glitter liner. So it's just gonna be this green one, and then I'm gonna add these chunky glitters right here. I don't know if you can see that, but these are just like little stars that reflect like blue or whatever. So I'm just gonna use a flat brush to apply that. And you don't need to apply that much glitter glue because, you know, it's just... And go in a little bit with the glitter left over. I think I should have applied it before, like the glitter, because I applied that. You see the little stars? Yeah, those little stars. Oh, let me see. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this Christmassy look that I did for y'all. If y'all want to see more looks like this, remember y'all can always send me pictures of like makeup looks that you want me to do, and I'll be sure to do them. So gracias, like and subscribe this video, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.